website that we have launched, the Griffies 2015. Now our project name is Total Solution. Now the project aims that there is a large number of datasets that are publicly available in Gov 2015 website. Several related information can be obtained from these various attributes and the individual dataset. Moreover, it can be easily be perceived that each of these dataset can be interrelated to infer various valuable analysis which can increase the richness of this individual dataset. Our main aim is to research on these missing links of the dataset and to bridge them so that we can have our richness of this data. The main aim of our project is to introduce an unique contribution towards the direction of finding relationship among these different categories of datasets and to bridge their gap. So we have used several datasets, and from the Gov 2015 website, almost all the datasets that can be used, and our aim is this software can be also used by the government, or can be used by the individuals, and also as well by the industries. So let's go into the application that we have developed. This is the application that we have developed. Suppose the role for each, there we have particularly 3 roles over here. So let be the individual, government, and the industry. Now the government maybe the roles, and for that government roles, maybe we are asking for the mortality rate. What is the mortality rate for these particular years and along the number of mortality that have been happened. So suppose we are going for the 50 years of durations, and maybe for the best 5 choices. So here is the graph plot that we can find. So it can be easily be inferred from the government end that it can be the solution for that, and they can get into the different solution. Now maybe for the industries, what we can get, maybe from the ABC data set, what we can infer is that what are the number of episodes that have been went for, and what have been the series that have been, or the soaps that have been went, and from there on the TRN of this particular data set, what we can evaluate is that the ad industries or the various product that need to be launched, that can be easily be targeted, that what should be the time frame where these should be, what is the time when there is a large number of people that is going through the televisions. And maybe it could be also good opportunities. These analysis also could be a good opportunities for the government, because they can also get the time when they need to focus on maybe some time, maybe some emergencies are going on, maybe it's the flu time. So what they can analyze is that in this maybe from the pin code data set, they can get that this is the location where the flu is going on, and also they can get that in this location at this point of time from the graph source data set, they can get that we need to focus these awareness programs for the flu at this point of time. And also what we can get, another explanations on this is that on the disaster, like we have an explanation of the disaster data set where we can getting all the disaster it is a disaster data set of the flood predictions, over where we have getting like where are the disaster where 100 people have died. So this type of analysis that we are bringing, that can bridge the gap between all the data sets that we have, and that can lead to an empirical solution and the richness of this particular data set.